Hello mathematicians, I hope by the end of this video you can say I can construct a table of input-output pairs to graph a function. Let's look at an example here. It says complete the table for the function f of x equals negative 2x plus 1 and graph the function. So we're given this table over here and it asks us to fill out this table and then graph it using the table here, okay? So if we were to plug negative 2 into this function right here, we get negative 2 times negative 2. That would be 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. So our f of x would be equal to 5. Plug negative 1 in here now, so negative 2 times negative 1, that is just positive 2, plus 1 is 3. Plug 0 in, we get 0 plus 1, which is 1. Plug 1 in, negative 2 times 1 is negative 2, plus 1 is negative 1. And plug 2 in, negative 2 times 2 is negative 4, plus 1, and we get negative 3. So that is what our table would look like. Now it comes time to graph using this table, okay? Remember, this is our x-axis. And this one right here, this is our y-axis, or sometimes referred to as the f of x. The f of x, you sometimes refer to the graph as the line of y equals f of x. Okay, so this is f of x or y. You might see it also labeled as y. Now it comes time to graph. So we go to negative 2 on the x-axis, so negative 2, and then up to 5. So up to 5 right here. Okay, and now to negative 1 and up to 3 right here. And at 0, up 1, remember, that is our y-intercept, if we remember that, okay? Over to 1, and then down to negative 1 on the y-axis, or the f of x, over to 2, and then down to negative 3, okay? So our graph would look something like this. It would go between, it would keep going something like that, okay? This is what our graph would look like of this function, okay? So we use this function here, we filled out the table, and then we use the table to make our graph. So that is it for our video. I hope by watching this video and getting in a little bit of practice, you can say I can construct a table of input-output pairs to graph a function.